What's up, people? It's your girl Alyssa coming to you with another video. Very highly anticipated video, girl. I will be reviewing and demoing the Juvia's Place foundation and concealer. So I did go ahead and place my order, and I just got it in the mail, and we are going to just jump right into a review and demo of this I Am Magic foundation and concealer. If you are interested in seeing your girl, me, Alyssa, with the foundation on, we gonna hope this one of these is my shades. Then just keep on watching. And if you have not subscribed, girl, join the ChicMarieB family. Yes, girl, and let's go. Okay, so I ordered two foundations in the shade Casablanca 450 and Punta Cana 435. And then I also got the concealer in number 16. So let me open these up and show you guys what they look like. I do also want to say, I did have a lot of people reach out to me and ask me, was I doing a review? Where's the review? Did you, where the review at? You know. And I appreciate it. I love that you guys want to see my reviews and want to see me use the product. But I will say, your girl is not on nobody's PR list, so I have to place the order and get it in the mail just like you guys. So if you could start adding me on these brands pages where you want to see me review, and maybe they can notice me and start to add me on their PR list and send me some of these products early so I can start, you know, being able to get the review up. Because I've also been looking online at Juvia's Place reviews, and I haven't seen anybody in my skin tone review it. Like, they've been doing a lot of sponsorships and stuff, but they either been darker or darker. I've just been seeing people darker than me. So, yeah. And then I seen It's My Ray Ray, and she's lighter. But yeah, girl, if y'all want to see me do these reviews and y'all want me to do, you know, a product demo, get the new line, add me on a page. Please support me on and off YouTube so we can grow this family, grow this channel, girl, and keep these honest reviews coming. Go, bro, you feel me? I'm over here. Got to tie my robe up, child, because it's falling down. But anyway, I had to say a little speech. Go ahead and add me on Juvia's Place. So this is the packaging. As I'm sure you guys have all seen this. Oh, my nail, girl. Don't look at that. But this is the packaging. It looks like hand lotion. But I'm not mad at it per se because it is grab and go, and you still are getting 1 fluid ounce of product. So majority of foundations you do get 1 ounce. This one you get 1.08, so it's a little bit more, but girl, come on. Hey, it's very travel friendly. Pop that bad boy in. Just don't mistake it for your hand lotion, girl, because you'll be mad. And then I got the concealer in the shade 16. So it was really hard for me to try to figure out what concealer to get because it was didn't really have a lot of help online just yet. It was hard for me to choose my foundation shades too. I'm hoping that this is it, because now if you go on Juvia's Place, they do have like a comparison chart. I don't know who made that, but that's new. They didn't have all that when I ordered. I ordered like when it first launched, and I just got the shit yesterday. Yesterday was June 1st, child. Damn, so it's June 2nd? Girl, the year. But anyway, so this is 16. I'm going to do swatches of all of these, but this bad boy is big, baby. So let me open this foundation and swatches so we can find my shade. I really do hope one of these is my shade, child. I'm glad that they had the little seal on here. Oh, okay, yeah, that looks like it's my shade. So this is a 450. That looks like a winter shade, but I haven't even really got a tan just yet. I'm gonna let it dry, we gonna see. Then I also got 435 Punta Cana. Okay, this bad boy is definitely thick AF. Punta Cana look like it's my shade. I just swatched too much. Okay, I can see that you don't need a lot of this at all because that swatch is serving up a whole lot of coverage and it's very thick. Yeah, Punta Cana look like it's my perfect shade. I'm gonna put it all over my face. So according to that chart, because like I said, the chart, I'm sorry, I'm gonna turn, why am I turning that way? The chart said that 450 Casablanca was a dupe for 370 Fenty. And while we're here, and 370 is right here, let's go ahead and swatch it. Now, y'all know 370 was like my shade I was using at one point with Fenty. And it kind of do look like 370. Okay, y'all know Fenty gotta dry down. So that's $370, and while we edit, I'm gonna put $345 back here next to Punta Cana. And I'm going to look up how they describe these shades on the Juvia's Place site. We're gonna give them a chance to dry down. The Fenty is still drying. That $370 looking like it was never my shade. So it's now live on Ulta's site, which is really cool. So this review, I hope is helpful for you, because you could just go out to your nearest Ulta or just order online so you can get those points, girl. And the shade 435 Punta Cana is described as 410 with neutral golden undertones, okay? And 450, the Casablanca is described as 410 with golden warm undertones. So as you can see, as they dry down, I feel like either could work. I'm definitely gonna do Punta Cana. How does it look on camera to you guys? You think I should go with 450? 450 is a little bit too like orangey. It was a shade in between these two called Rio, which is 430. And I believe that one was described as tan with warm undertones. That one was sold out when I made my purchase. So I went with Punta Cana and Casablanca. However, Rio probably could work. We might have multiple shades. Let me sit up. We might have multiple shades in this foundation that could work for us foundation twins. So that's pretty cool. Because I feel like I can make this one work maybe. But in person, it looked really, really orange. Just like 370. You see how 370 has dried. It's never was right. And then this is the 345 back here in Fenty. And then that's this the Punta Cana. It looks like the Punta Cana is a little bit too dark, but it will work, and I am going to use it. Let me just wipe this off, and then we're going to jump into the full face. I'm going to prime using the Tatcha Silk Canvas because this is supposed to be a matte foundation, so I don't want to, you know, apply too much of like a matte primer. And then this primer is a lot like skincare. It serves up a very nice finish, and it just kind of like preps the skin in a luxury way. So it's not like, I don't think you do much manipulation to like whatever you put on top of it. Let's go in with this, the right one? Yeah, Punta Cana. They have like the little shade here on the back, and that's the only place where the shade information lives. It's very thick, very thick. I probably got too much on right now. Let me just stop. I'm gonna use the Morphe Y6 to buff this in. They did come out with a brush. It was also sold out when I made my purchase. So let's just go ahead and blend this in, girl. Let's see what the girls have been writing and raving about. So I do think it probably is best with the brush because it's so thick, you gotta like move it around. Okay, so my skin is looking really good, especially in camera. I'm gonna go in with a little more. Yeah, this is like a cream, thick foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with the sponge because I always do that. Whenever I use a brush, I go in with the sponge to just get it super flawless and pressed into the skin. This shade is looking really good. It's looking really good. Really nice. Really, really, really nice so far. It is sitting on the skin just bomb. Come on and go off Juvia's Place. Sitting on the skin really nicely. I don't feel like it's heavy. I don't feel like I got a whole bunch of stuff on my face. The color is really nice. Let me get my ears. This is one of the things that everybody been raving and raving over, and it has come through. But this is really nice, and it's a black-owned company. Come on, and it's getting all of this praise, which is just great. I love to see people, you know, get what they deserve. People work hard for stuff, and they want people to like it. So, yeah, I'm here for it. I'm gonna move to the concealer in the shade 16. So the concealer really didn't have all these descriptions and stuff to try to help you find the shade. So I looked at Trend Moves swatches, and I just went with 16 because I wanted to make sure I was getting one that's going to highlight me. This is pretty bright. It's pretty bright. It looks really bright on camera. It doesn't look that bright in person. But as you can see, it's like dewier, but it looks like it's still going to provide some coverage. Yeah, this foundation is really nice. Now we're going to wear it today and see how it, you know, wears. But it's serving up a really nice coverage to where I feel like I can use it on my clients. And this packaging is great for your kid. Girl, really nice for a kid. It's not glass, open up, squeeze out. Like, I think when you first see the packaging of the foundation, you're like, why it look like a hand soap or something like that. But when you start to think about it, yes, we do love packaging. I love a good packaging, but that's pretty convenient. Like, girl, throw that in your purse and you ready. Okay. That blended out really nicely. You see it's bringing some light to the chin. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing, which is highlighting, and it did not blend away. I was concerned with the formula being kind of like dewy, if it would like blend away. You know, I like to start off with the edges of the concealer and blend it out, leaving that coverage under the eye. I usually do my forehead first, so let me go ahead and do that. Oh yeah, baby, this got coverage and it's nice and dewy. This is really good. These products are really good, y'all. Definitely is ChicMarieB approved, and I ain't even done my face, and I'm talking about it's ChicMarieB approved already. The concealer, okay, is what's really wowing me right now, but even the foundation too, everything is wowing me because the concealer is nice and super dewy and like moisturizing, but it's kind of still thick and it's giving you that thick coverage. I like it. I like it. And stuff that I like and I say that I can use on my clients, that means I really like it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish off my face, come back with the finished face, and then we're going to talk a little bit more, and I'm going to wear this throughout the day. Okay, you guys, so I finished off my face. Yes, hope you guys like this look. Come on, Juvia's Place. It is definitely serving up a look. I can see that it's kind of creasing a little bit in my smile lines already, so I'm not sure how it would work on the smile lines. Only on this side. This side is doing okay. But it looks really good. I am obsessed. It's so, 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 so pretty. I gotta put on some earrings and go put on my clothes and stuff. So I just wanted to come and let you guys know that this foundation is bomb. Yes. I'm gonna wear throughout the day, put my clothes on, and come back with a check. I don't know if I'm gonna check up, okay? I might try to do it on my phone or something. Or I just come at the end of the night and let you guys know how it lasted throughout the day. It is 1:15 on the dot, okay? And yeah, I will be back. This song's so ghetto. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna turn it down real quick, but I'm doing a check-in. So my skin is still looking bomb, and I'm not too oily or anything. The only thing is the smile lines still. So this one look real bad. And I just left eating. This my sister. But yeah, it's 7 o'clock. And yeah, I mean my skin still look good. It's only the smile line. Let's see. Yeah, it's just what it is, but whatever. Can I flip the camera around so I can show y'all Shy City? I don't think I can flip it around. I'm gonna go like this. We on 67th Street. All day, Southside, Shy City. I'm low-key ghetto, y'all. Bow. Hey. Y'all. Bow. What is this? What is this song? Hold on. Alright, they ain't playing shit.
We're gonna have to connect the phone, because that's not gonna work.
Skin is definitely popping, y'all. It's worth the $20.
Because skin is in, huh? Skin is in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. Wow. So I'm back. It's 9:14 and I'm about to take my face off. So I'm coming in with a checkup. I did do a little checkups during the video, you know, just cute or whatever. All right, let me look at the camera. Hey y'all. What's up? So as you can see, I am a little oily and I'm definitely glistening. But you know, like, come on now, we can't be expecting the foundation just doing the most. Like, it's been however many hours. This is what the fuck it look like. I'ma just dab it off. I always dab myself like either with a Kleenex or a paper towel. Don't use toilet paper. This is what I look like, as you just saw. I just dabbed it off. As you can see, some did come off. It does transfer. Well, you know, I'm just gonna say it's just not transfer proof, which I don't think they claim that. Radiant, long lasting, creamy, and comfortable. All of that is a yes. As you can see, I'm radiant now. Upon first application, it is more of a matte, a velvet matte. And I think if you have oily skin, this is good for you, as well as if you have normal to dry like I do. You know, you just optimize your primer to whatever you're putting on your face. So if I'm putting on something that's super matte, like you saw, I applied the Tatcha because this is just like a silk canvas. That's what it provides. It doesn't mattify you or anything. It says our second skin creamy foundation offers a smooth application, yes, with a soft, natural, and soft matte finish to give a flawless coverage. That's exactly what it does. It's definitely soft, creamy. It's definitely creamy. Y'all see, it's thick as hell. That's why she put it up in this hand cream container. Listen, because it's nice and creamy. A great formula to even out the complexion, refine skin texture, and erase blemishes. Maintaining the initial finish throughout the day. Yeah, as you saw, it did get oily, but the finish and like the coverage is still there. It still looks really good. It's a great match. Come on, foundation twin. So we are definitely Punta Cana. We all need to take a trip to Punta Cana, low key. Well, wait a minute. One day, didn't something happen to the couple in Dominican? Okay, never mind. This is Punta Cana, $4.35. Great match. I do feel like we might have another one to play around with, Rio, but I didn't get a chance to get my hand on that one. But why am I worried about another to play around with if this one works? Anyway, yeah, Punta Cana, $4.35. And the concealer shade is actually a really good match. I had number 16 just as a reminder. So it did crease under my eyes. It's nice and creased up under here. I do have, you know, lines under my eyes, so it can't help but to crease. But honestly, I'm giving everything like an A. Like, to be honest. Like this, it's really good. It definitely serves up a very smooth, beautiful finish. I did post pictures on Instagram. Follow me at ChicMarieB so you can see those. My skin looked flawless in the sun, growing. You know, the sun will serve it up, okay? The sun and the natural daylight will serve up the truth. And this was really good. So like I said, if you are thinking about getting this foundation, I would definitely recommend it. This is ChicMarieB certified. And the concealer is definitely really good too. Like, I'm trying to figure out if I would say like get one over the other. If you do have a favorite concealer, you could just get the foundation. However, the concealer does serve up something new. It serves up dewy, full coverage. Like moisturizing, dewy, full coverage. What about that? What they was trying to, what's the claims on this one, girl? It says our magic creamy radiant concealer softens and conceals out dark circles, blemishes, and skin imperfection. Yes, it is a creamy radiant concealer. So I think these two pair perfectly together. And that's what they thought about. They thought about how if we're gonna serve up a super matte foundation, let's go ahead and give the girls some moisture under their eyes. Listen. So yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Listen. It's your girl Alyssa, aka ChicMarieB. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you came over here for this Juvia's Place review, girl, you might as well just keep on subscribing. The family over here, we're very positive. We send out positive vibes only. If you're about that life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all on my next video.